Welcome students, today we are going to learn ending sound in English. Ending sounds are those sounds where a word ends. Today we are going to do this worksheet to learn the ending sound. Look at this picture, there is a pen, P, E, The ending sound is P, E, N, pen. This is pen. P is the beginning sound, E is the middle sound, and N is the ending sound. Okay, this is pen. Now come on next picture. This is lid. Lid. The ending sound of lid is D. Lid. D. 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 We write D. D. Lid. Next is dog. Dog. G. The ending sound is G. 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 Dog. Next is hen. Hen. The ending sound of hen is N. N. Hen. Next is wig. Wig. The ending sound of wig is G. 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 Wig. Next is an action word run. Run. The ending sound of run is N. We write N. Run. Come on next picture. This is bat. Bat.